Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to check a couple of new accessories by Vifly. In this quick video I'm going to check an updated version of the ShortSaver, a new smart LiPo discharger, and the Finder Mini, a mini-sized self-powered buzzer. In addition, I'm also going to announce a small giveaway, so one lucky subscriber is going to win one of these items, which is going to be directly sent to them by Vifly. Let's start with the Vifly ShortSaver 2. The main differences between the new version and the previous one are that first and most important, on the new version you can find a power button which is very useful. In addition, setting the output current to 1 or 2 amperes is done using a button instead of a switch. And finally, by long pressing the power button, you'll be able to set the trip time, whereas on the previous version it required you to remove the heat shrink and bridge these soldering pads. In case you're not familiar with the Vifly ShortSaver, the main purpose of this accessory is to prevent you from smoking your electronic components. So for example, if you accidentally bridged the VCC and ground pads of your flight controller, in case you're going to power it up using this accessory, instead of smoking it, it is just not going to be powered up. Just like the previous version, the ShortSaver 2 supports up to 6S batteries. Once powered up, you'll be able to set the output current to 1 or 2 amperes by short pressing this button, set the trip time to 3, 5 or 7 milliseconds by long pressing the power button and then short pressing it, and turn on or off the output power by short pressing the power button. The power switch is especially useful for binding radio receivers that will require you to press the bind button while powering them up, which can be a little bit tricky, and for that purpose I made this type of adapter. Now instead of that, I can simply use the ShortSaver 2, so you can see after pressing the power button, the drone is powered up, and after pressing it again, it is powered off. Overall, I think that the Vifly ShortSaver is a mandatory accessory both for beginner and advanced users, and I have a more extensive review of the previous version, which most of it applies to the new one, so if you'd like, you can check it out in this link over here. Moving on to the Vifly StoreSafe. This smart LiPo discharger, which is available either with an XT30 or an XT60 battery connector, supports between 2 to 6S batteries, and it is going to slowly discharge the connected battery to 3.85 volts per cell at a maximum power of 1 watt. Once connected to a battery, these LEDs are going to indicate the number of cells of the connected battery, and it's important to monitor that the correct number is selected, as otherwise you're going to damage your battery. The connected battery is going to be discharged at a maximum power of 1 watt, so it will take a while until the battery is going to reach storage mode. The Vifly StoreSafe is going to convert the battery power to heat, and according to my test, after about 5 minutes, it's going to reach about 50 degrees Celsius. And in addition, once the Vifly StoreSafe is connected to a battery, in order for it to work, the minimum voltage per cell needs to be at least 3.95 volts. Normally when I need to discharge my batteries, I'm using the ISDT FD200, which is a heavy-duty battery discharger capable of discharging batteries at a maximum power of 200 watts. However, if you're looking for a more budget-friendly alternative and you don't mind that the discharging procedure is going to take a while, the StoreSafe might be a good option for you. Just keep in mind that it will take a while for the battery to be discharged, and I recommend that while discharging it, place the battery in a dedicated fireproof storage case such as this one. Moving on to the last item in today's video, the Vifly Finder Mini self-powered buzzer. Basically what Vifly have done is to shrink down in size the Vifly Finder 2, so the functionality pretty much remains the same. The Finder Mini features a very strong buzzer and a built-in LED, which will hopefully enable you to recover a drone in case of a crash where the main battery gets disconnected. The main differences between the Finder Mini and the Finder 2 are that first of all, the Finder Mini is significantly lighter and smaller than the Finder 2. However, it comes with a cost, so the buzzer and the LED unit of the Finder Mini are not as strong as on the Finder 2, and the battery is only going to last you for about 7 hours in comparison to 30 hours on the Finder 2. So for larger drones, I would still stick to the Finder 2. However, if you're looking for a smaller alternative for 2 or 3 inch drones, the Vifly Finder Mini is a pretty good option. Since operating the Finder Mini is identical to operating the Finder 2, you can check out my original review of the Finder 2 for more information in this link over here. Anyway, that's going to be it for this video, and as for the giveaway, which is sponsored by Vifly, in case you would like to participate, all you have to do is to make sure that you are publicly subscribed to my channel, hit the notifications bell so in case you're the winner you are not going to miss out, and leave a single comment down on this video that contains the name of the item that you would like to get in case you are the winner. I'm going to announce the winner on an upcoming live stream in 2 days, so stay tuned. And by the way, all my Patreon supporters on tier supporter and above are going to be automatically included in the giveaway, so you can check out my Patreon page below in case you would like to be automatically included in the giveaway and further support my channel. As always, I thank you for watching my video, I hope you enjoyed it and you find it useful. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comment section down below, in addition to the item that you would like to get, and I will see you soon on my next videos. Goodbye.